going to take down the hair, cutting with the grain, using a 1 guard on my Indie Scoreless Envy. Next, using my Babyliss Gold FX, I will start to make a bald line around the head. While taking that bald line around the head, try to get it nice and clean. Placing the guard on my Babyliss clipper, I will start to make a guideline around the head. I'll remove the guard, close the lever, and start to remove the bottom line. As I go up, I'm just going to open the lever just a little bit. The higher I go, the more I'll open the lever. A blend and a feathering motion. This will help the blend come out bleary. Notice how I'm just using the corner of the blade. I'm not using the full blade. I'm just using the corner. While fading, please remember not to go past the guideline. Now just go to the other side and repeat the steps. Now I'll remove bulk from over the guideline using a 1.5 guard. Now I'm going to place the 1 guard back on the clipper and open the lever and remove the remainder of the guideline. And I'm just going to do this all around the head. Now to get his hair to lay down, I will place mousse on it. When the mousse dries, I will pick up my trimmers and start to line up in the middle of the head. Now I'm going to start applying enhancements. Using a card, spray the card and not the hair. After I've done everything, I will take my trimmers and start to cut off the loose ends.